Om. The angles, first, fourth, seventh, and 10th house are important as they are founding pillars of our life. First house is our health, and the dasha of planets in the first house will develop our personality. The planets sitting in first house, aspecting it, or the house in which the first lord is placed, designs our personality. For example, say Saturn in Lagna will give its qualities into our looks and thinking. That is laziness, or we will work easily after a lot of thinking. Similarly, the ability to work will be affected. Saturn and Jupiter are passive planets, and their placement in first house doesn't make us hardworking, as they are planets of wisdom and knowledge. Jupiter is consultant and it cannot do heavy work. If Jupiter is with Mars, then the dynamics of works change as wisdom gets connected to energy. Jupiter and Mercury have directional strength in first house, and we take proper care of our personality. The dasha of first house planets improve the status, and some big event always takes place in our lives in their dasha. The fourth house gives security, name and fame in the society, comfort and peace. Malefics here disturb these significations, and benefics like Venus, Moon, Mercury, or soft planets adds to these significations. People having strong fourth house awaken the masses against the system. That is, they have malefics in the fourth house because malefics are strong in the angles. People having benefics in fourth house work within the system and never break the order. The dasha of the planets in fourth house indicates change. It is the house of emotional needs. Malefics in fourth house kills us emotionally and makes us dry. Fourth house is our society, and people will come to advise us, but we should use our wisdom and choose as per our likings and follow the words of our heart. That is, we should listen to our consciousness. The seventh house is dependent on others. It makes us dependent on others, and we expect the persons in front of us to do something for us. In the dasha of planets, in the seventh house, one has to work for others. Benefics here will make the things easy. Malefics here will lead to breakage of partnerships. Benefic here will make others use our name, and we will allow them to use our name. While malefics are if here, then we will raise our voice against this and will lead to breakage of partnership. Mars, Sun, Rahu here will give anger, ego, and illusions to break partnership. In the 10th house, we have our authority, name and fame, karma, and profession. We go into the profession related to the house which is the strongest among the first, fourth, seventh, and 10th houses, and the D10 chart accurately predicts the profession. The 10th house indicates the power and authority. Strong planets in 10th house gives us a hassle-free life, and we know that we have to complete the task in hand. Debilitated planets in 10th house or placement of 10th lord in 6th, 8th, and 12th house makes us work hard for our profession or karma, and we face obstacles in our pursuits. Keep learning. Hari Om Tat Sat.